For my kitchen remodeling, I purchased cabinets from Home Depot, and they're not cheap. This one, for example, 18 inches, around $200, and for that price, you would think they would at least come with some nice hardware or something. But instead, this is the drawers and the slides that they come with, and looks like those are the cheapest, crappiest slides you can find. The cabinet doesn't go out all the way. You can see the space that is left here, and look at how wobbly this whole thing is. It is not stable, and I don't like it at all. Plus it never goes right. It always one side sticks up. We gotta push it extra. So what I'm gonna do is replace the slide. So here is the solution: 22-inch full extension soft close drawer slides. If you buy a pack of 10 sets like I did, they're $100, basically $10 per set, and they're heavy duty, rated up to 100 pounds, which is plenty strong for kitchen drawers. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the existing graphic drawer slides, the factory ones, with those, and hopefully they work much better. So here is the drawer from the top, and first thing I noticed was that those drawers are not attached to the sides but to the front and the back of the drawer. So basically only two screws are holding them, which makes them very flimsy. So what I decided to do is put a filler on both sides, like a piece of wood, and attach the new sliders straight to that. So that will be much more sturdier, and it should work much better. Lucky for me, the space between the sides of the cabinet and the drawer is exactly 3/4 of an inch, which is a standard bore. I kept the original slider inside, so basically it's gonna keep the drawer wide up, and it's gonna make my installation much faster and easier and more accurate. So what I do now, after I put this filler board, I'm just gonna use the other slider, make sure it's flush here on the front, and I'm just gonna screw it in. Do the same on the other side. Now I'm gonna put the drawer back using the original slides, and here is how flush it's on the top. So I'm gonna open it a little bit, and now I'm gonna push the new slide, and that gives me the location of my board. Now all I have to do is remove the old sliders. Okay, all the sliders are out, and let's try to see how it works. You can see how sturdy this drawer is. and it gets out. Now it's a full extension soft close drawer.